you need to have contour intervals in the 30-foot range. 7.5 minute map, USGS topographic, colored. You don't want a black and white map. You need to know where the green starts and ends, the green of the forest. You need to have the blue lines for the creeks and the lakes. Avalanche paths are typically green dots, so you need to be able to see those. USGS, of course, sells them. I'm sure National Geographic sells them. You can get this stuff online. We used to use a map series made by Lon Cooper called Half Mile. That was his trail name. And Half Mile had a great set of strip maps in the 7.5 minute scale. 7.5 minute scale will give you the amount of detail so that you can open your map and see. I do not teach map and compass. I'll teach you how to identify something out there, like a rock knob on a ridge, or how to identify the shape of the meadow you're standing in and find it on your paper. Visual navigation based on reading a map in 3 dimensions. Once you figure out where that knob is on the ridge, you turn your map so it's facing the knob. You find it on the map. You got a straight line between the knob on your map and the knob on the ridge. Now you are oriented. Now you can figure out where the hell you want to go. Do you want to go to 10 o'clock? Do I want to go to 2 o'clock? That kind of thing. It's becoming aware of your environment. That is going to not only make you secure and happy, but it's also going to increase your interaction, the relationship that you have with your environment. You're no longer riding the tour bus through Germany and looking out the window and how it's so pretty out there. Now you're actually interacting with everybody on the street. You feel the cold, you feel the whatever. So you want to find a 7.5 minute map, or a map with a contour interval between 30 and 60 feet. And that will give you enough detail to be able to navigate by without being limited to scroll on your little screen, because that doesn't give you the full picture on how to go from here to there. It won't show you what that knob is 1.5 miles away, because your screen only goes so far. And then once you scroll to the knob, oh shit, well, where was I? I can't draw a line between the two. You've got to be able to know where you are, find an object out there, a landmark, and orient your map to it. And I'm sure Tony learned this, hopefully, maybe the Warfare Center taught you guys this, but this is really basic, how to read a map. And once you know how, you're going to be a secure, happy little camper.